What's up, guys? All going white pre. It's your girl with another video. Okay, so don't worry about my wig. This wig is from OQ Hair. It's glueless. I just threw it on so I can come make this juice because y'all, I am so tired. Wait, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over everything Tish, okay? But yeah, I've been drinking nothing but water. That's cool, good for me. A+++. But then I'll have a drink of something. It was even supposed to have, it was 5 calories, literally 0 sugar, and I was like, they're lying. There's sugar in here somewhere, it's too much. So I finally am gonna use my Namba juicer. Ugh. You guys have literally seen this. I know I showed you guys this in 2023 when I bought it from my friend for, I think this goes for $500 or $600. I got it as a discount from him because I love juicing. My friend got me another juicer that was for my birthday slash Christmas 2 years ago now. That video has already been up here 2 years ago. But now this one I can just put everything in up top. I don't have to push it down. So I'm gonna open it, wash it. So it's also an unboxing as well because it's gonna be my first time seeing it. I haven't even opened this box since I got it. So far I have 2 pineapples, I have some celeries, I have some green apples, I have some ginger, and that's what's gonna be my first juice. And then I have some oranges over on the side. Those are gonna be for my straight orange juice. But everything here, the green, it's also supposed to be, slow down. The green, ginger, blah, blah. That's a good detox, gut health juice, rather than me making just a straight pineapple juice, which is what I love to do, but I think I need some cleansing. I am going to peel my, they're already washed, remember, but I am going to peel my apples because if you don't know, they have wax on them, and that's not the point of healthy drinking. This is what my apple's looking like. I cut the top already. Let me cut the bottom. And I'm not sure how much of this, oh, it's dripping. I'm not sure, oh, good grief. I'm not sure how much of it I'll use because I don't really like the taste of it too much. Let me wash the inside again. Okay, I'm back. It's all clean. I'm gonna cut it. This is what it looks like so far. My pineapples, ginger, apples, celeries. That'll clean you right out. Let's do this unboxing.
Okay, that should save the little pussycat.
A warm welcome from Nama. Oh, it's Nama, not Namba. I call this thing Namba juicer. It's Nama. This one first. It is the chamber set plus quick start guide. This, I'm so excited. That's where I get to put everything. Look at it. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's just a quick guide. Oh, they got recipe book. Healthy living. There go them celeries again. Ah, it's the bottom part. But it has the brush. Catches the juice, and then the one that catch the part from the back, like the skin, or I don't know what you call them, the extra stuff we don't want to drink. We have the filter thing. I washed everything, soap, everything. I don't play them games. So let's put it together now. Let's turn you around. There we go. Sheesh. Okay, and the one for the juice is the smaller one, so that would go here. And then this one is catching the juice in the back. I mean, in the, you know, those pieces, the furry stuff we don't want.
Just because I don't want to fight. I don't want to get in an argument. I don't want to.
Let's get this thing going. And this, I can just push them down as I please. Stop it now, and then now let's release the juice. So I'm not even done yet and I still have more fruits, but this is how much I had to stop it. But I have over, what does it say? Over 35 ounces of juice here. So let's just pour it. For me to clean this, like literally I just washed it. I just washed it off. It's so clean. I'm so excited because now I know the process does not take long. And so now we're gonna put some in here.
Hey Tiffany. Hey. Last we saw you, you were in South Africa. Yeah. A lot of people were shocked that you went. Yeah. Well, when did you get back to the States? I got back about a month and a half ago. I was there for
All right, okay, I'm excited. So I was able to get 4 bottles of orange juice out of this. I really need the glass one. I don't want to store anything in plastic. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna put those in the fridge. And then here's my pineapple, celery, ginger, and green apples. It's a gut cleanser, just a fresh drink. And this is how much I was able to get out of 2 pineapples, 4 apples, however many celery, and some ginger. I am going to get a drink of this. Okay. Just natural. It tastes so refreshing. I'm so excited. So tomorrow, I mean, the pineapples at the store, they're not really the best right now. So I wouldn't mind making some just pineapple ginger, that by itself, this for cleansing and just a fresh drink. And then I'm gonna go get some more orange juice tomorrow. And I also need to organize my fridge. I bought some organizers from my Amazon storefront months ago, like last year as well, and I have not put them in my refrigerator. Not the things in the eggs, not the drinks where I can push them through and they just come out like you're getting something from the soda machine. I've done none of that. So again, because I needed storage, because I think people like content where you're doing organizing with me, unboxing with me, stuff like that. So now I'm gonna wash my juicer and store that. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to actually wash this thing. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all. I'm very excited. I'm done. I've cleaned up. I've washed everything. So now I'm gonna go sit down, eat some dinner, drink my juice, and well, I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna put some lotion on it. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna just chill. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend to come over at Everything Tish. Follow me on Instagram, Jennifer Data. Until next time. Mwah.